Hi, Crystal with Crystal Clear College Planning. I wanted to introduce you to Tribe, the college game plan. So in this, a lot of times families are really struggling with figuring out how do they make sure that they are picking schools that are a good admissions, financial aid fit overall. And that is sometimes a struggle because there's so much information out there. They just don't know what to do, how to do it, when to do it by. So what we did in building out Tribe was create a step-by-step system so that you know what to do. If it's freshman year or senior year, you're gonna have those steps in order to achieve what needs to happen and by when. So when you're thinking about this process, we want you to recognize freshman and sophomore year is exploring. They're just trying to figure out what are they interested in? What does this actually, like looking at schools, look like for them? And then junior year, they're gonna get into a lot of the details and we're gonna walk them through step by step. How do you visit a school? How do you make sure that you are demonstrating interest and managing expectations about what a good fit is? And then senior year, they're going to be submitting applications and you're going to submit financial aid forms. And we're going to be there for all of those pieces as well, walking you through what it is that you need to be doing. So in our step-by-step roadmap in Tribe, the college game plan, you're going to see everything laid out for you. You're going to have a coach to be able to ask questions of, help you figure out what those best fit schools are. And right now we are offering special pricing. So make sure that you click the link below in order to explore Tribe and see if it's a good fit for your family. And I look forward to seeing you guys soon.